This video is brought to you by Team the Traveler Game. It's a cool ultimate puzzle game designed with high-end 2D graphics. And I'm pretty sure you will definitely love this game. So download it now and enjoy. Link in the description down below. What's up guys, this is Femil and welcome to FMJ Tech. This is an iPhone projector, an insane gadget. Usually projectors are quite big and heavy, and at the same time they are not portable at all. But in this video I will show you a projector that is just opposite to it, and it works just as good. So before we get started, let's unbox this package and see what we are getting inside. This product comes in a wonderful looking package, and inside the box you will get the iPhone projector, some instruction manual, a charging cable, an adapter, a lightning to HDMI link cable, and a supporting frame as well. This premium gadget is available on the world famous shopping site called BlindlyShop.com, which sells a lot of variety products worldwide with free international shipping. And to get a 10% discount on BlindlyShop.com, use the coupon code FMJTech or click on the unique discount link down in the description. Alright, so let's talk about the projector. As I expected, this product is made up of a very high quality plastic, which makes it extremely lightweight. On the top side, there is a compartment for the smartphone, and on the left side, we can see a LED indicator light, a power switch, two navigation buttons, and a select button as well. Coming to the right hand side, there is a micro USB port for charging, a HDMI port, a USB port, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a dial to adjust the focus. On the back side, there is a HDMI main port for the purpose of connecting the lightning to HDMI link cable, and there is a projector lens on the front side as well. Okay, connecting your iPhone to this projector is pretty simple, and this is what you have to do. First, open the projector slot, then insert the supporting frame according to the size of your iPhone. After that, keep your iPhone in the smartphone compartment. Next, connect the lightning to the HDMI link cable that comes inside the package. Now the connection is completed. So let's turn on the device. For this, turn the power button backwards for 5 seconds and the LED indicator light will turn from red to blue. And that's it. Now wait and see the magic. This projector allows you to project videos on a screen ranging from 30 inches to 120 inches. So the technology that is using here is the DLP imaging technology. The result is sharp and clear image up to 1080p. And yes, it is. Along with this, it has a speaker inside, which is good enough if you are near to the speaker. But I like to connect it with an external speaker so I can have like a big screen and a good audio. Other than that, there is a 3000 mAh battery inside, so you can carry it anywhere and create a big screen anywhere you want, like your bedroom or in a conference room or even at a night party to show off yourself. As I mentioned before, this is an iPhone projector, but for those who don't have an iPhone, you can transfer all your videos into a USB drive and connect it like this. Or you can connect your laptop using a HDMI cable like this. And for the Android users, you can buy a standard MHL cable and you can able to project your Android device. The link for the MHL cable is in the description as well. And that's it for this video, and if you guys want to read more about this projector, simply visit my website fmjtech.com. So with that being said, my name is Femil and I will catch you in the next video.